may not become a
Cure.
but he's
Cure.
cure.
Cure. Cure.
A cure.
Joe Biden is not a miracle cure for all what ails America, but he's a good man who would restore steadiness and civility to the White House. Any question about that?
Joe Biden is not
A miracle cure.
miracle cure for what?
Miracle cure, you know what that is? Miracle.
Cure means treatment.
Yeah, miracle.
Miracle means the magic.
Yeah, fine. For what ails. What makes somebody sick? What ails? Ailment means like what makes somebody like sick.
So ail America means sick American. The American is already in sick.
No, cure for sickness of America. You can think of that. Whatever makes America sick.
Cure for sick.
Joe Biden is not the cure for what makes Americans sick.
So this is a verb, means
Yes.
make Americans sick.
What makes Americans sick? Yeah.
Okay, so he cannot.
He's not a cure for that.
But
he's a good man who would restore steadiness and civility to the White House.
who would
Restore. Again, he didn't. Would again. It's about this future. It's kind of like guessing about the future. Would. That's what would mean. Will means like he would gonna do it. Would is like guessing. It may happen, may not happen. Would. You can consider it a possibility that happened. That's what
But
would
this
mean.
word is different than this
It's the same would.
No, this would is we already know this not happen.
No,
this
is not. Don't know anything. This when they wrote this article, you don't know anything.
No, they already know.
How do you know that? How?
November.
How do you know that?
Oh, okay, don't know. Okay, restore means what?
Return, restore. you know?
Return.
Restore.
Restore means
Make it the same as before.
Oh, make it same as before. Steadiness.
Steady. You know steady?
Steady means stable.
Yeah, steady. Yeah.
Oh, and
Civility.
civility.
Civil is like how you treat normal people. Adults treat each other civil. You don't like shout at people. You don't like lie at people. You treat people like a normal adult.
Okay.
To the White House. He's equipped to begin the long, difficult task of putting a fractured country back together. That is why, if we had a vote, it would go to Joe. Okay, so last sentence is about that is why if we had a vote, it would go to Joe.
Yeah, just say why it has to be Joe Biden.
Right.
But
he's saying that when
he is equipped. He's
equipped
ready.
to begin. Equipped means he has
Some
equipment. He has equipment to begin
the long difficult
task of putting the fractured means divided. Fractured means broken.
Broken country back together again.